Good morning, friends. Today I am going to talk about a strategy as to how to break the loop or pattern of negative thoughts. In my book Success at Your Doorstep, I have written a chapter titled 6 Magical Verbs. This chapter is about 6 different strategies as to how to regulate your thought pattern. Thoughts are very important. All our actions, our behavior, our communication is preceded by the thoughts that we have in our mind. So it is important to think positively. It is equally important not to have negative thoughts. But what happens, what do you do when you have those negative thoughts? You start thinking about those, dwelling upon those, and then that particular pattern becomes so difficult to break because those thoughts start getting magnified. And so it is important to learn the strategy, and they are very simple strategies. I am going to talk about the first one. It is called as the stop strategy or stop therapy. Now let me give a little bit of a background. Stop, this word S-T-O-P, has a very strong connotation. It's very potent. It's a very strong command which will make you stop what you are doing instantaneously. Maybe within a few moments you may restart doing what you were doing before. But that stop command is so powerful that it puts a break, an instant break to your thought pattern. If you have observed, a mother, when it is dealing with its child, it uses this stop strategy very often. When the child is crying, let's say it's crying incessantly, and no matter what, it doesn't stop, mother gets completely flustered. And then she tries to placate the child, to request it, to beseech it. And finally a point comes when it is uncontrollable, unbearable for the mother. And in that moment, she just yells loudly at the child and she says, "Stop." And the moment she has said that, the child will stop crying instantaneously. It will start looking at the mother with its wide open eyes, but at that particular moment, it stops crying. Maybe after a while, it starts resuming. But this is how the stop strategy works. In our classroom also, if you have seen, when the students are becoming too noisy and they are uncontrollable, the teacher requests them maybe once, twice or thrice. And then when it becomes very difficult for the teacher, he just thumps his fist on the table, bangs the table with his fist, and he screams, "Stop." And at that moment, there is a pin drop silence. Same thing happens when you see the signal, the red signal. Red signal connotes stopping. Similarly, a cop, when he puts his hand up and he says stop, you've got to stop. Of course, there are people who do not follow it, and of course they have to pay for the consequences. But the stop signal is a very powerful command, and it will compel you to stop what you're doing. And so here what I'm suggesting is, let's say you have a thought pattern which is going on in your mind. Let's say at the end of the day, you have had some rough day. Maybe somebody said something nasty to you, or you have had some financial losses, or something happened in the office, something in the relationships, whatever. You start thinking about it. And initially you just start thinking, it's very innocuous, that process of thinking negative. And one thought leads to the next, then the second leads to the third, and so on. And then these starts moving at a dizzying speed, and they don't tend to stop. And then they become so amplified, so magnified, and you are unable to get out of that loop. So literally you are moving inside that particular loop. And so in order for you to get out of it, either you get out of the bed, or you put on your TV, or you start listening to music, and then that particular stop pattern breaks. This was a wonderful strategy which was used by Richard Bandler. He would always break the pattern of his clients' thinking by just using this particular command, stop. So what happens is, when in your mind, when you are going with this kind of thought process, just at one point, even before waiting for too long, just scream loudly inside your mind, not really externally, but say with all your emotions and force, say stop. The moment you have said that, all that pattern gets completely shattered, and you will not think of that. Just try this and see. You have to say it with a lot of emotions and feelings, and really you should really be feeling that you want to stop this. And so when you say with that force, that thrust, and you say stop, the negative pattern has to stop. Just try it and see whether it works or not. I'm sure it will work. Have a good day. Bye.